In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Solopreneur Dashboard in Trello with dash cards. We're diving back into Trello and setting up a clean, simple masterboard that helps you see exactly what matters today, what's coming next, and what's parked for later. Start by creating a new board and name it Solopreneur Dashboard. Think of this board as your daily cockpit. From left to right, lay out your lists so your eyes move through your priorities in a logical order. Begin with the hot list. This is for anything due today or truly urgent. Keep it tight so it stays actionable. Right next to it, add a list called Up Next. Limit this to your top 3 to 5 priorities that you'll tackle after you clear the urgent items. The constraint is the magic here. It forces you to choose what actually moves the needle. After that, create a list called Waiting On or Awareness. This is where you park tasks and client deliverables that are temporarily out of your hands. It's a visual reminder of what's in motion without clogging your to-do list. Finally, add a brain dump list. Use this to capture new ideas, random thoughts, and inspiration the moment they pop into your head. Don't evaluate. Just store them so you can review and sort later. As you work, drag cards left or right to reflect status, and add due dates or labels so everything stays searchable and clear. Now let's automate the busy work with the free Dash Cards power-up. Instead of manually pulling cards from all your other project boards, open power-ups on your Solopreneur dashboard, search for Dash Cards, and enable it. Create a new Dash Card and name it Today's Priorities. Edit its filters so it automatically shows any card assigned to you, any card labeled urgent, or anything due today. Dash cards can pull from all your boards, so this single card becomes your daily radar. It updates itself, and you can click into any result to jump straight to the original card. If you want even more clarity, add additional dash cards for overdue tasks or client tasks, so you can start your day from one place without opening multiple tabs. Each morning, glance at today's priorities, work your way through the hot list, and promote tasks from up next as space frees up. When something's blocked, move it to waiting on and add a quick note. When inspiration hits, toss it in brain dump and keep moving. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.